In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to a to-do in Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Basecamp, managing tasks efficiently can massively boost your productivity, and learning to attach files directly to-do items is a key part of that process. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the project that you're working on. Within the project, head over to the To-Dos tool. This is your central hub for task management in Basecamp. Once you're there, navigate through your list to find the specific to-do item where you want to attach the file. Click into this to-do to enter the Details view, where all the nitty-gritty of your task resides. In the Details view of your to-do, you'll see a range of options. One of these options is to either add a description or a comment. Right around this area, be on the lookout for a paperclip icon or a link button that says Attach File. This is your gateway to adding files to your task. Now, depending on the version of Basecamp you're using, this process might vary slightly. Help documents don't always cover every specific step for different versions, but they reveal that you should look for an Attach Files link in past iterations like Basecamp 2. If you're using a newer version, the method has improved. You can now attach files through the editor. It's as simple as clicking the paperclip icon or, if you prefer, dragging and dropping your file directly into the editor. The convenience of dragging and dropping can save you time and make file management more intuitive. Once you've located your file using the method that suits you best, select the file from your computer. If drag and drop is your choice, simply grab the file and pull it into the area designated by the editor. This seamless integration ensures adding files to your to-dos is quick and straightforward. After you've chosen your file, you'll need to wait a moment. Allow the file to upload fully and appear within the To-Do Details screen. This brief pause ensures that your file is uploaded correctly and is ready for others to interact with it. Once the file is successfully uploaded and visible, you can go ahead and save or close the To-Do Details view. Congratulations! The file is now attached. It'll be available for you and other users to download or preview directly from the task, making collaboration that much simpler. And there you have it. You've successfully attached a file to a to-do in Basecamp. With practice, this process will become an integral part of your task management routine. Attaching files directly to to-dos not only keeps your work organized, but also enhances teamwork, giving everyone easy access to all the resources they need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.